Logarithm exercise 4.2 part 2. We are starting from question 3. Last video we have completed question 1 and 2. This is very important because we are going to prove some logarithm expression. First one. Here we have to find out 5 log base 10 5 minus log 10 base 25 equals to log 10 base 125. So first left hand side 5 log 10 base 5 minus log 10 base 25. So first one 5 log 10 base 5 will be unchanged minus log base 10, these 25 we can write 5 square, right? It's a very simple thing. Then 5 log 10 base 5 minus these two can be write like 2 log 10 base 5. How? Because we know log m base n a, we can write a log m n, right? So look, here is a 5 log 10 base 5 and here is 2 log 10 base 5. So it will be 3 log 10 base 5, just simple subtraction. Again this one we can write log 10 base 5, this 3 can be write like this way. So it will be log 10 base 5 cube, it means 125, and this is a right hand side. Look, in the first question we have to prove log 10 base 125 and this one is in here. So first question answer, left hand side equals to right hand side. So short. So first question done. If you have any question, please write a line in the comment section. This one, number 2, suppose left hand side, here is log base 10 50 divide 147. Okay, so from a right hand side we can get some information like here is a 2, here is a 2 log base 10 5. So first look, log base 10, here is a 50, we can write 2 times 25. Okay, or another way we can solve this one, we know log base a by b, once we are going to divide we can write log a minus b. It's a very simple thing. So this case also we can write 50 minus log base 10 147. Okay, now this 50 we can write log 10, this 50 we can write 2 times 25. Okay, very simple. And this one minus log base, we can omit this one we can write log 10, and 147 we can segregate lots of way. Suppose here is 147, we can divide this one by 3. So here is a 4 times 3 is a 12 and 9, and this 49 we can write 7 times 7. So it would be better we can write 3 times 49. Okay, it's a one part. Next, we also know we can write log AB, it means log A plus log B. So here is also log base 10 2 plus log base 10 25, right? Same thing minus, and here also same thing, log 10 base 3 plus log 10 base 49. Here I am using third bracket, you can use first bracket. It's a simple thing. Next, log 10 base 2, it will be unchanged, plus log 10 base, this 25 we can write 5 square, okay, minus log 10 base 3 will be unchanged, plus log 10 base, this 49 we can write 7 square, okay. Next, log 10 base 2 plus these two will become in front, like log 2 log 10 base 5. How? We already discussed this one, like log m base n a. So a will be in front, then log m base n. Now minus bracket will be continue, log 10 base 3 plus these two will become in front, so 2 log 10 base 7. Now we are already in position, log 10 base 2 plus 2 log 10 base 5 minus, for this minus inside bracket every sign will be changed, so here is minus log 10 base 3, plus and minus once we multiply it will be minus, then 2 log 10 base 7. And now look, is our question, here is also same thing, so we can say this is a right hand side, so it will be left hand side equals to right hand side. Proved. So number 1 and 2 done. Now we will try to solve question 3. Question 3, and this is the last question of this video. Same thing, here is a left hand side, 3 log base 10 2 plus 2 log 10 base 3 plus log 10 base 5. So first, step by step we try to solve. So these 3 we can write like log 10 base 2 to the power 3 plus log 10 base, these 2 will become 3 to the power 2 plus log 10 base 5 will be unchanged. Now log 10 base 2 to the power 3 means 8 plus log 10 base 3 square means 9 plus log 10 base 5. Now look, here everything is plus, we know we can write log a plus log b, it can be write log ab. So similar thing, log 10 base 8 times 9 times 5, okay. Now look, log 10 base 8 times 5 is a 40, 40 times 9 it will be 360. So here is 360 and this is our right side, okay. 3 log 10 base 2, 2 log 10 base 3, log 10 base 5 equals to log 10 base 360, and this is our right side, so we can say left hand side equals to right hand side. Proved. Okay, so this video I am trying to solve 3 question answer based on logarithm and very common law in law of logarithm, which is log a plus log b, which is log a times b. So no more today. Thank you very much for being with me. This video I am trying to solve 3 math based on logarithm, exercise 4.2 part 2. Next video we will discuss more thing about logarithm. Till then, take care, keep practice and don't waste your time. Thank you.